Hey, what's going on guys? It's Phone Repair Guru here. So I've been using iOS 14 Beta 4 for 2 weeks now, and I wanted to highlight some of the issues I've been having. First off, I'd like to start by saying iOS 14 Beta 4 was a huge improvement from the last beta, just because there was a lot of resprings, I had issues with my GPS, I had a lot of lagging, and there's a lot of overheating in my phone. Now, I'm not really experiencing any of that. But there's something that's really wrong with this software, and that's the Wi-Fi connection. It's very choppy, and it doesn't even work half the time. I'm currently trying to upgrade to iOS 14 Public Beta 5 in hopes that the Wi-Fi does get better, because I keep using my data, and data costs money, especially when you use it just like Wi-Fi. Here in Canada, data plans are not cheap, so Wi-Fi is not something I'm really willing to sacrifice. Another issue I experienced was severe freezing. There's a few times that I've had my phone completely freeze up, and the buttons didn't work, neither did the touchscreen, but after around 15 minutes, it resumed to normal function. Aside from my issues with the Wi-Fi, everyday use has improved a lot. There's no lag, no overheating, and the GPS works just fine, which it didn't before. Anyway, I'm going to upgrade to iOS 14 Beta 5 and let you guys know how that is. Let me know in the comments how your iOS 14 Beta 4 experience has been. If you're not having these Wi-Fi issues, you're pretty lucky. I'm not sure how widespread these issues are, but I assume they are, just because there's been a lot of complaints about this beta. Some even say that it's worse than the last beta, which I understand, but in regards to speed and overheating, this beta is a lot better, in my opinion at least. Anyway, that's been my experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.